Peter,
Yep.
check this out. They never glued in the fitting.
That's crazy.
I just cut this. All right, let's see if this is glued in.
Nope.
Wow, is any of it glued in? Wow, holy shit. No fucking way. Hold on. No way. Nothing is glued in here. No, stop. I don't want to open up a can of worms here. Wow. Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Season's greetings and Happy New Year. Today is Tuesday, December 27th, 2022. And I want to give a special shout out to the, 85,250 subscribers to the channel. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it. I got a fun-filled and action-packed day today. So stick around, smash that thumbs button, and let's get going. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It is 7:30 in the morning. We're heading to our first service call in Island Park. We've been out to him before. He's a YouTube subscriber to the channel. So special shout out. Those guys get special priority treatment, you know? Take care of me, I take care of you. So I'm taking a little shortcut through Lynbrook to avoid some traffic and sometimes observing the STOP signs like that one just there. Slightly tap on pedal or stomp the, I don't know. We'll think of an acronym for it. You guys will post the comments about it in the what does stop sign mean to you? What does stop sign mean to you? Anyway, had a great weekend, hustled, and still got to spend some time at home with the family. It was nice. All right, tie your boots, pull up your pants, put on your belt, and let's get going. All right, we're in a nice cold attic. But a nice little window. Hey, Peter, the last time I was in a nice attic like this, I was with Kelvin, and he drilled a hole for combustion analysis in the wrong hole, in the wrong pipe. So let's see what we got here.
So does this one have supposed to have light all the time?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah, it should have a light on it. So we have water in here. Where's the? Oh, because it drains outside. That's why.
And so I put this shot glass, but this was filled.
What's
with
the shot
ice
glass
before.
for?
Because where the dripping was, and
Oh, it's dripping from there. Oh, because it's frozen. That's why.
so am I right?
Wow, hold on. This actually goes outside. Let's see.
I have
Yeah.
two. So
So how long you lived here?
just this year.
Oh, is this your first winter?
Yes. So
Oh yeah, you're in for a treat.
what happened?
Well, every year it's gonna freeze because condensation is being brought outside, and this is a condensing furnace. And when it's below freezing, that condensation is going to freeze. And then the line's going to freeze, and then the water can't drain, and the furnaces are going to drip into the pan like it's been dripping. And then the safety switch, since it's filled with water, it's going to prevent the operation of the system.
Figured.
So we need, to make this go away, we need to figure out how to bring this condensate someplace it's not going to freeze. And I don't like to be a hack or anything, but the easiest way of doing it is, see that pipe right there, that white pipe? Well, that's the vent system of your drainage waste and vent system.
This one?
The white pipe. The white pipes and these white pipes. And I'm not suggesting that we do this, but this is going to be the easiest way of doing it, right? Is to bring the pipe there to there. So what you can also do is, and I'm not suggesting you do this. This is the village of Island Park. I would file a complaint with the building department that their inspectors approved this installation if this job was permitted. If this is a permitted job and an inspector passed off on this, again, you can't sue them because you have they have immunity, right? You can't sue them. You know, you can't sue government. You can try, but the building department signed off on this, and that you can't bring condensate outside like that. So what we can do is we can cut a pipe into here and bring the PVC drain across the floor to right there. And again, it will work. It's not the right way of doing it. But the right way of doing it would involve opening up a wall in this house, bringing it down to the the drainage system, not the vent system. Peter, we were looking at these pipes, all right? Intake, exhaust. Let's follow them. And then we have a condensate trap on the intake, all right? Which is really intake. The condensate trap should have been on the condensate drain off the line should have been the exhaust, unless the intake is pointing up and it allows water to go into rain. Maybe we should go outside and take a look at that. They both lines here will have condensate in them. Well, at least I don't see what it sees. I don't see what it's like outside, but again, the concern is maybe this line could also freeze because we're in unconditioned space. I like to record what we do here, but that's a 2-inch. So Peter, if we could find a 2-inch TY or a 2-inch Y, and with a 2-inch, it's tough. What is this over here? Oh yeah, right here. If we can find a 2-inch TY or a 2-inch Y, I'll cut this piping here and we'll throw that in there, and then bring 3/4 PVC. We'll take those two, we'll repurpose those lines that are going out into the gutter now and bring them here across the wall and into there. Something's better than nothing. And then it's got to be wrapped with insulation. And then, again, no, you need more. Oh, you have some over there. You have some. Oh, yeah, plenty. Yeah, we could do that. And then, less likely to freeze. Again, we had once in a generation, they say, below seasonal weather. It was cold. And it's still cold. All right, let's take a look outside. I want to see how and why it's vented. Oh, it's so stupid. Look at that. I did one of those bad boys. See that? They put that condensate trap on the exhaust, on the fresh air. They put it on the wrong line. It should have been on the exhaust pipe. Perfect testament. Hacks bring me stacks.
It's true.
I kid you not. Hacks bring me stacks. And this further strengthens. Education is key to success, doing the right job, and together we can make the trades great again. Stick around, we're going to repipe this. Peter, check this out. They never glued in the fitting. I just cut this. All right, let's see if this is glued in. Nope. Wow, is any of it glued in? Wow, holy shit. No fucking way. Hold on. No way. Nothing is glued in here. No, stop. I don't want to open up a can of worms here. Wow. Nothing. I'm willing to wager this is not glued in either, but I don't want to. Oh, this is leaking anyway. Look. Wow, look at that. It's ice. There's no way. What do you want to bet? Want to bet anything?
No.
Wow. You got big problems, buddy. Nothing is glued in. This is a major problem. Peter, follow this. Where does this line go? Right there. See what yeah, see what happens.
I mean, I can already feel this.
Yeah.
This is out right here.
Yep.
Like, come on, come here. Not glued.
Yeah.
Hey, there's this.
Wow.
Yeah, so...
Your plumbing pipes aren't connected. I don't even, honestly, I'm just in shock as you are. I don't even know where to start. They never, you have a basement?
A ground floor.
Are any pipes exposed, like the white pipes like these exposed?
Yes.
Can we
but
see?
I think it's for the drain.
I know, this is drain too.
Yeah.
These are the same pipes.
Yeah.
It's just, this is above the flood line of fixtures. It's called the vent system.
Okay.
The flood line means like you fill up a sink of water, right? That's called the flood rim of the fixture. You fill up a tub to an overflow. That's the flood rim of it, right?
Yeah.
But these are the same pipes. They're just above that level, and nothing's glued in, and one's leaking from the water, rain, or whatever is coming into it.
Okay.
Let's go look at some of the piping we see in the lower level. We went downstairs to the lower level, the ground floor. It's purple primer and everything, and I checked underneath a couple sinks, and they're glued in. Just here, they didn't bother. They didn't bother with. Maybe they lost their glue and primer. Who knows? Put them all back in. Like a 10-second count. You should be good. It's pretty crazy that the entire 3/4 inch line is frozen with ice. You want to even know more crazy? This is a Rheem, right? They got these QR codes. There. No QR code there, right? No, there's one right there. Right? QR codes. What's the purpose of a QR code?
To give you information on whatever that product is that the QR code is not on.
Yeah. So let's say, for example, it says scan here for model information available on the web, right? So let's do that right now. I already did it, but we're gonna do it again. Right, there it is. Open in Chrome, right? Now it says, there it is. Classic series up to 92%. There's the model number, right? And let's view parts list. Pretty cool, right? You'd think a sticker that's not accessible to the homeowner under normal circumstances, right, would allow a technician to actually see a parts list. This is amazing. You know, I wish all manufacturers would do this, right? So now here's parts, right? Boom. Looking for water heater part. No, I'm looking for parts for this model, right? Oh, there it goes. Let's do. Oh, shop all. Show me air filters. I get it, right? But just air filters. That's it. That's all they show me is air filters. Where are the parts? Where are the parts? Let's go back. Oh, maybe I hit the wrong button. So, parts. Let's go back again. Maybe I hit the wrong button. Back. There it is. So there's the model, right? View parts list. Let me hit that one instead. Come on. Why do they do that?
Such a good idea.
It was such a good idea, but it was an epic fail. Great idea, but a complete epic fail. I think I'm onto something. I think maybe I should patent that, right? Where it actually shows you the parts.
That'd be smart.
And then I'll get a cut, like maybe like a penny. Like every time someone watches the video, I get a penny, almost, right? But 800,000 pennies a month. That's a lot. That's a lot of bread. It's a lot of pennies. See, guys, look at that, nice ice cubes, right?
Yeah.
You wanna put one in your Mountain Dew?
Yeah.
You do? By the way, this is very acidic ice. It's water, but it's ice, right? But this is the condensate that came out of the furnace. This eats through pipes.
It'll eat through us.
It'll eat through you.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll be good for you. That way you have a direct hole from your stomach, instead of your butthole when you take it,
I don't want to go to the bathroom.
You don't have to go to the bathroom. Just come out of you like inside. That is like esophagus. That's what that is. All right, so the pipe has thawed. We're gonna run a pipe from there across and connect to there, and then we're gonna wrap it with this insulation. All right, we rerouted that PVC drain line, and all of a sudden, I don't know, the guy started spazzing out on me, and it just wasn't a healthy relationship at that point moving forward. I explained to him what happened for the 10th time. The collector trap underneath the furnace obviously was dripping still because it froze. It got that cold in the attic. And he needed a new one, and he couldn't understand why I didn't have that part in the truck. So anyway, nonetheless, Hope you got a lot of information out of this video. Number one, do not discharge condensate, from a heating system to the outside if you live in a area subject to freezing, in the Northeast, for example. Number two, if you're a plumber or a plumbing apprentice, there's a thing called purple primer, which most jurisdictions are the code, but in some jurisdictions, I get it, it's not the code. You can use clear primer, but all the vent piping in that attic wasn't glued in, wasn't primed. It was just left there, and every single joint, I didn't get it all on video, but every single joint had a little iceberg underneath it. So, just wanted to share this video with you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you got a lot out of it. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.